Hi everybody, today I am at Five Below and I thought that I'm gonna search for some fidgets today because I was like, today's a perfect day because when my brother's at knots, I can be searching for some fidgets. Sorry, it's too close. So we're gonna search for a fidget aisle and we're gonna be searching because I'm so excited. Now let's get started. So, you guys help me find some fidgets. Can't find any. So there's not a lot of fidgets here. So let's try to find some fidgets. So we're gonna, just get on with the video. And so there's lots of fidgets. Oh my god. Guys, I just found the jackpot. Look at this. And there's some more over there. But I'm gonna also get some for my brother because I'm being so kind. So I was thinking, why not? Let's give him one of these because they're blue. Blue, green, orange. Oh my god, they have Nidos! Alright, I'm definitely gonna get one for me and for my brother. Oh my god, Nidos. Yes, I need some Nidos. Definitely need some Nidos. So let's go bring these to the cart. And we'll be right back to get some more. I'm so excited. So first I'm gonna find the cart. I can hold these all, so we're gonna get the cart in at the end. We're gonna put everything in the cart at the end because, oh, there's the cart. Let's put it in. Come on, let's go. So we're gonna get these fidgets. Let's go. Let's go get back to the aisle. I'm so excited. What else should I get? I saw something there that I really wanted to get, but it didn't fit in my hands. So we'll go over here. Over here is a better idea. Foam, this is what I wanted. Look, it's some foam and a poppet on top. It's like I don't know, like a poppet. Look, it's a squishy hot dog. I might get that. Actually, I'm gonna get that. So what else can we get? This foam. And what else? Because there's like lots of fidgets. So yeah, should I get a stress ball? I don't know. Alright, so let's see if there's any fidgets over here. No, this is just like pranks. Oh yes, there is one. Wait, I think I saw some of these in the other aisle. This one's a bit popped. I don't know if I should get this one. This one, I don't know. This one might run out of air in a while. The bag is running out of air, so I don't know. What is this? Oh, okay. So we're gonna search in this aisle. Yes, I'm gonna get a stress ball. So now, because we got a stress ball, we're just gonna put these in the cart, and I'm excited to open these when we get home. So first, I'm gonna find the cart. Trust me, someone's holding the cart, so we're good. It's not like it's just laying around somewhere in the shop that I know. Someone is holding it. My mom is holding it, and I'm looking for it right now. So let's search for more fidgets while we're at it. So I can't hold a lot in my hand right now. So we're gonna just go to the fidget aisle. Okay, fidget aisles get packed. There's a lot of people there, so I mean there's not a lot, but I'm gonna get this. This hot dog slushy thing. I really want it. So we got this dough thing. I might get this. So I can't fit anything more in my hand. So can't fit any more things in my hand. I do want a cube. I'll be right back to put it on to grab it. So let's go. Let's find the cart. Oh, there it is. Thanks. Alright. Guys, I can't find the cart. Guys, alright. got lots of fidgets today, and I might collect a bit more. So I'm just gonna grab one more fidget, then we're off with the video. So we're gonna grab one more, and that's it. So we're gonna grab a lot of fidgets. Some is for my brother, so I'm pretty excited. So here are these. I wanna grab this hot dog. I wanna grab this hot dog so bad. I'm gonna grab it because I love it. And then I'm also gonna get, I think this is all I wanted, right? Oh, I also wanted a cube. That's a cube. I'm getting a cube. I think this is it for the fidgets, so bye.